I'm just sharing with you that there's birds in the background, and those are like blessings, ancestors, um, guardian angels that come to you. So if you hear the chirping now out of everything I say, forget like a chime or something that you always are used to online of like confirmation. Um, I just wanted to give the respects of what I hear every day and what what I believe in. Um, Squinting my eyes like a mofo because I look into the sun um, quite often, and I do a lot of things, you know, quite often. That is within the universe and grounded, and to ground my energy, so it's not easily taken from clowns, comics, all these people. Got silent, huh? No birds. So let's see if the birds keep chirping. They're chirping. Uh, Anyways, things in life take time. I've learned the most patience in time. You know, there's so many things that are coming in for me right now, and I'm like, might as well just wipe my face because I got two cats and I love them to death. Not death, to life, to purpose. They're great. They're my everything. Everything in your life has a purpose, whatever it may be. Whether it's a cat, whether it's a tree, whether it's the sun, the moon, the stars, the birds. Peace and tranquility. Find it. Peace, love, and light.